everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have just launched our brand new Christmas kits and I'm here to tell you all about what they include and what you can make with them. So let me tell you what's included inside our Santa Sack HTV kit. A blank Santa sack, so you can choose how many you would need. 5 sheets of A4 vinyl of your choice in Happy Glitter, Happy Flock, Happy Fashion and HappyFlex vinyl. Pre-cut designs, so these will be ready to cut out and iron straight onto your projects, and these are in HappyFlex Black A4. A Craftmas project booklet, so this includes lots of step-by-step tutorials of exclusive projects by us, Christmas inspiration and new products included inside. You will also receive a DIY instruction sheet and happy release paper to get you started and making your unique Santa sack. Let's get crafting and show you how we made our very own personalised Santa sack using our kit. hope you enjoyed watching the video, and our kits are now available on our website. Woohoo! So you can check them out and choose your own colours and design that you want to create, so you can have a personal Christmas this year. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you soon with our next crafty video.